Well, now to focus on Madhya Pradesh. If exit polls are to be believed, the BJP is expected to retain power in the state. If the Congress is in fact decimated for the third time, the credit will have to go to Shivraj Singh Chauhan, easily one of the most popular chief ministers the state has ever seen.
मैं शिवराज सिंह चौहान ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं।
It's a battle between the Maharaja of Gwalior and a commoner who started his career in politics as an RSS pracharak at the age of 13. Yet many say Jyotiraditya Scindia is no match for Shivraj Singh Chauhan. This man is given credit for single-handedly turning the BJP's fortunes around in Madhya Pradesh, converting the heart of India into fortress of saffron. Despite allegations of corruption, sex scandals and cases of moral policing involving 11 serving and former ministers, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is eyeing a record third term as Chief Minister of India's largest state.
शिवराज सिंह चौहान मेरे बड़े अच्छे मित्र हैं और बहुत ही लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री हैं। गरिमा, शालीनता, सादगी के परिचायक हैं वो और तीसरी बार जीतने जा रहे हैं।
What makes the BJP government immensely popular in the state are its social welfare schemes like higher subsidy for farmers, Beti Bachao Abhiyan and Ladli Lakshmi Yojana that have increased Chauhan's reach beyond BJP's traditional vote bank.
By all accounts, his ministers have not got such a great reputation for efficiency or humility or even doing things only for the public good. And there's been a disconnect. In fact, Babulal Gaur has gone to say 6 or 7 ministers are going to lose. Despite that, Shivraj Singh Chauhan has done well because of these two attributes. And I think he's worked really hard and connected with the people more than anything else. As you know, he's called Mama.
In 2008, the BJP had won 143 seats, the Congress had lagged behind at 71, BSP had managed 7 and others bagged 9. After 10 years of BJP rule, Congress's best bet is an anti-incumbency wave. 4.6 crore voters around 51 districts have decided the fate of 2,583 contestants. The ballot has been cast. The fate of Bhopal will be declared on Sunday. If exit polls are to be believed, the BJP is expected to storm back into power with its promise of smartphones and laptops for students and a self-employment scheme for 5 lakh youngsters. BJP's possible win will be most bitter for Scindia Jr., who had to wrestle with party veteran Digvijay Singh for controlling the Congress's campaign.
Was it a mammoth task for Jyotiraditya Scindia? I think a mammoth task for the Congress party to come together. Now, if Jyotiraditya Scindia was a symbol of the Congress party coming together, then it was something which was achieved. I think it was papered over. The differences between the tall leaders, all of them older than Jyotiraditya Scindia, more experienced, those differences remained.
Despite the odds, senior Congress leaders have been trying to put up a brave front.
मैं जहां का जानता हूं बता सकता हूं। मैं मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ का जानता हूं और मध्य प्रदेश और छत्तीसगढ़ में जो आपके ओपिनियन पोल्स हैं ये गलत साबित होंगे। इससे स्पष्ट तो मैं नहीं कह सकता।
भारत माता की! भारत माता की!
A hat-trick for Shivraj Singh Chauhan will further consolidate his position not just in Madhya Pradesh but also within the BJP. An emboldened challenger to 3-time Chief Minister of Gujarat, Narendra Modi, and his ambition. Will the lotus bloom again or will the hand be able to crumple it? The final countdown has begun.